Hey guys, so this person asked, why is an isosceles 2 or 3 sides equal? Isn't 3 sides equal called equilateral? And yes, that's very true. 3 sides would be equilateral. So here's an equilateral triangle. All 3 sides are congruent or equal length. We call it an equilateral triangle, and there's a box around it. Next, let's look at a triangle where all 3 sides have different lengths. This is called a scalene triangle, and we can put a box around this. Now here's another scenario where 2 sides are the same, but the third side is unknown. We can do a lot of things with this. Most importantly, the base angles are congruent as well. Even though the third side is unknown, we give these a name, isosceles triangles. So that third unknown side, it's true, it can show up in 2 different ways. It could be congruent to the 2 other sides, or it could be not congruent to the other 2 sides. When we're talking about isosceles triangles and everything that follows from those, we really don't care about the third side. Since it really doesn't matter which of these 2 scenarios is going on, we can change this to say greater than or equal to 2. And then at this point, we don't care that the third side is unknown. And now we can put a box around this. Let's get rid of this. All equilateral triangles are isosceles, but not all isosceles triangles are equilateral. And this may seem weird, but this happens all the time in geometry. Here's a popular example. All squares are rectangles, but not all rectangles are squares. Ultimately, what we really care about is as long as a triangle has 2 sides congruent, we really don't need that third side to do a whole bunch of math from here. I hope this answers your question. Let me know if it doesn't, and please keep asking me questions. I love you guys doing that. How exciting.